Oh, thank you. Hi, you're a big brother.
Watch your head.
A kitty cat. A kitty cat.
Oh, she's got a kitty cat on her shirt. What do you have on your shirt? What do you have in your pajamas?
A fox.
Oh. She's trying to get you. Can you give her a tickle?
I got you.
What are we going to do today, Luke? You're going to be a good listener. Whoops.
Let me try again.
You try again. Be careful.
I got you.
Oh, that's nice.
Big brother.
You're the big brother.
I got you.
You got her. Is she your favorite person? Is she your good little sister?
I get you.
Do you love Gia?
Yes.
You do?
Sure.
Why do you love Gia? Oh, because of a big hug? Oh. Do you love Mommy?
It's a big hug.
A big hug. Okay, be careful.
A big brother.
You are a big brother. Okay.